Hey guys, what's up? Just wanted to do a part 2, just a quick follow-up video from part 1. Just wanted to basically talk about the build and overall performance, and plus one added feature I put on mines. The build was your basic mesa foam fighter type design with the notches and everything cut out, so everything went in sewn slots. As far as the tape scheme, I had this yellow tape sitting around for a while. I never really used it, but it actually pops pretty good in the sky, makes it very, very noticeable. So pretty glad I made it. Plus the added feature that I put on here were yellow LED lights, so that plays into the whole scheme of it all. I just went around the perimeter of the wings, around the bottom, and the last strip of it just went right down the center of it. These things are pretty bright. I actually got some flight footage of the night I took it out, so here comes some flight video. Alright guys, I got Mesa's Eurofighter back out, and put some LEDs on it today. As you can see from the shine, this thing is pretty dope looking. That thing looks dope. Can't really see the lights from the top. You definitely can see them on the bottom. Alright, let's bring it in for landing. I want to check if these lights are hot. Oh, this hatch does keep on popping off. Oh, the lights aren't hot at all. Tell you what, these bad boys are bright. I thought it would drain the battery a lot quicker, but it doesn't seem to do much. Doesn't take away from the flight time, I don't think. My plane is fresh. Look at that thing. Alright guys, you can see how it's extremely bright. I wasn't expecting it to be that bright. I don't even think the camera even does justice of how bright this plane actually is in the sky. I actually had cars from like 2 blocks away pulling into the field while I was flying. I was just wondering what the heck was going on. Everybody said all they seen was a bright light zooming in and out of the sky. They didn't know what to expect. Until they pulled in and see me flying this thing around. Everybody got a kick out of it. I thought it was pretty neat. But anyway, I got these LEDs plugged directly into the balancing port. I just took the ends of the wires, jammed them in, and put a piece of tape on top to hold it down. So kept it pretty simple. It worked out great. No need for extra connectors or anything like that. Just plug them right in there, put a piece of tape, and you're done. So as far as the lights taken away from the performance, I've seen no sign of that. I thought it would drain the battery a lot faster, but it actually didn't. I didn't see it take away from our flight time. I didn't see it take away from performance. So that's even an added extra bonus. I thought this thing would drain the battery fast, but it didn't. So that's pretty neat. And as far as not being able to see the lights on the top, I'm actually going to go ahead and put a strand of the clear on the top, which is going to make this thing 2 times brighter, because these clears are a lot brighter than the other yellows are. So this is how it comes to you from Hobby Parts. They come pulled up. They actually come in a little bag like this. You get over 6 feet of light, so it's more than enough for each side of the plane. 1 strand for each side. It has its own double-sided tape already adhered to it. You just peel the paper off, stick it right to the plane, and the adhesive is very good. It sticks to the plane no problem and doesn't fall off, so you got to worry about it flying off during flight. So yeah guys, definitely cool feature of adding lights to your planes. This is my first time ever doing it. Definitely adds a whole new experience to your flying. I had a kick out of it. I thought that was pretty neat. So definitely go out and download the plans for this Eurofighter. Definitely a great flyer. Very easy to fly. Once you get it all dialed in, this thing basically flies itself. Very responsive. Very easy to fly. There's not much to it. So definitely go out, download the plans for this, and also definitely go out and go to hobbyparts.com and buy yourself some of these LED lights. They are awesome, extremely bright, and definitely worth the whatever you pay, $5-6. They're definitely worth it. So yeah guys, stay tuned for the next night flight when I throw these clear ones on top. Alright guys, thanks.